Hi y'all, it's Beachbody Coach Courtney Pag, and this is just a quick little video that I made for my Coach Basics group. The 3 questions that they tell you to ask and answer to get your story out. Sorry, I have to look at my cheat sheet. I don't have a very good memory. I joined Team Beachbody because I wanted a discount on the Shakeology. That truly was my only intention when I started this, and in fact, I told my friend in upline, don't ever expect me to do anything with this because it's never going to happen. I just wanted a discount. But I'm really glad that I joined for a variety of reasons. Number one being I make money helping people achieve their goals. And that is, if you've never helped anybody achieve a goal, it is such a powerful feeling, and it's just a great rush. I mean, I get to feel good by making somebody else feel good about themselves. Wait, scratch that. I didn't make them feel good. I helped them find the tools they needed to feel good about themselves. And it's a really powerful thing. But another reason that I'm really happy I joined Team Beachbody, when I started drinking Shakeology several years ago, I was very, very, very depressed. I have fibromyalgia. Living with a chronic illness, especially when you're in pain all the time, it is very depressing. I don't care who you are. It's depressing. But as a result of being involved with Team Beachbody, and as a result of being a huge fan of Chalene Johnson's, I am starting to do personal development. And it is amazing how much my attitude about life and about myself has changed tremendously over the past few years. I would not be here if it weren't for Team Beachbody and all their encouragement with the personal development. And finally, because of my Beachbody business, I fully expect to be able to quit my really nice 9-to-5. I'm not going to lie, I have a great 9-to-5 job. I'm really blessed. I work with some of the most amazing people around. But that being said, I would really prefer, especially having the fibromyalgia, I'd like to really work my own schedule. And if I don't feel like dragging out at 40 below, I don't have to. So that's my goal. Anyway, this is just a quick recap of some questions that we asked in our group. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.